Hello friends, welcome to Dream UPSC. Today we are discussing Paleolithic site. The first site is Adamgrah. Adamgrah situated at the south of Narmada river in Hosangabad district, Madhya Pradesh. Famous for prehistoric rock shelters and paintings done in red and white colors. Stone Age artifacts, Lower Paleolithic and Mesolithic implements have been excavated. One of the earliest evidence for the domestication of animals come from this site. Second site is Atirampakkam, a Paleolithic site situated in Korthalaya River Basin, Tamil Nadu, northwest of Chennai. Site was discovered in 1863 by British geologist Robert Bruce. Excavations have revealed a sequence of lower, middle and upper Paleolithic cultures with a break in occupation after the Middle Paleolithic. India's oldest Stone Age tools of around 1.5 million years old have been discovered at this site. Acheulean artifacts, mainly hand axe made of quartzite stone, have been found along with the cleavers and small flakes. Cleavers is a type of biface stone tool of the lower Paleolithic. In Atirampakkam, set of animal footprints along with the Acheulean tools were also discovered. First of its kind is South Asia. 3 animal fossil teeth were also found, suggesting open and wet landscape in early Paleolithic times. The next site is Ajmer. Ajmer is located in Rajasthan. Lower, middle and upper Paleolithic material has been excavated at the Hakra Basin to the north. West of Ajmer, a working flake industry using core technique from Middle Paleolithic period and blades, burins made of quartz and quartzite of Upper Paleolithic period was found. Buddha Pushkar Lake is a very famous Middle Paleolithic site due to presence of water and stone nearby. Pilgrimage center for the shrine of Sufi saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. He is a Persian Muslim preacher, religious scholar, philosopher, etc. Next, capital of Chauhans in medieval period. Next site is Anangpur. Anangpur situated at Badarpur Hills, south of Delhi. Thousands of early and late Acheulean tools along with traces of several paleo channels of the Yamuna river. The evidence indicate that this was a large Paleolithic habitation and factory site. Tools were made of quartzite or granite. Quartzite is a hard, non-foliated metamorphic rock which was originally pure quartz sandstone. This is Anangpur. The next site is Didwana. Didwana situated in Nagaur district of western Rajasthan. Excavation has shown a sequence running from lower to middle Paleolithic age. At a 50-kilometer stretch from Didwana to Javal, several Acheulean sites have been found. City is famous for its Hindu traditional culture and philosophy and the Madas and Madhuradasa Jika Jav, a well built by Maharaja of Jodhpur in 12th century. The name Didwana used to be Deen Diwana, a mystic lord of Islamic Sufi movement. Akbar made Koila Masjid in memory of footsteps of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Next site is Mogara Hills. It is located near Jodhpur in the state of Rajasthan, a factory site where lower, middle, upper as well as Mesolithic tools were made. Large number of Paleolithic tools like flakes, hand axe, etc. have been excavated. Next site is Sabarmati Valley. It is situated in the state of Rajasthan. Lower Paleolithic tools have been found. Paleolithic tools like flakes, hand axe, etc. have been excavated. Hope you all can understand. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Rest of the sites I will cover my next video. If you have any suggestions, please comment to comment box. Thank you.